Conversation between two friends discussing how to get the bus stop. Ashwin and Shiva. Ashwin: Hi Shiva, I need to go to the bus stop. Can you help me with the direction? Shiva: Sure, it's easy. Do you know the big supermarket near in your house? Ashwin: Yes, I know that place. Shiva: Great. Start by walking from your house until you reach the supermarket. It should take you about 5 minutes. Ashwin: Okay, but now I am seeing the supermarket, Shiva. Shiva: Okay, after you seeing the supermarket, turn left at the first corner. Ashwin: Okay, turn left and then? Shiva: Just keep walking straight. Another 5 minutes. You will see the park on your right side. Ashwin: All right. I saw the park, Shiva. Shiva, you just going to the park. You will see the bus stand right side. Shiva: So, after I pass the park, the bus stand will be nearby. Shiva: Exactly. You should be able to see the bus stand and it has a sign with the bus number. Ashwin: Thank you for your wonderful help, Shiva. Shiva: No problem, Ashwin. It's my pleasure. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. See the next video.